In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Calendar private by changing your event privacy settings. If you've ever wondered how to keep your calendar activities away from prying eyes, you're in the right place. Follow along as I walk you through the steps to ensure your schedule stays just as private as you want it to be. Let's begin by heading over to the Google Workspace page. This is where all your Google services are conveniently gathered, providing a one-stop shop for everything you need in the Google ecosystem. Once the page loads, look for the Products section. This is your gateway to accessing different Google applications. Clicking on Products will reveal a list of services, and from here, select Calendar to jump directly to your Google Calendar. If you aren't already signed in, the platform will prompt you to do so. Just enter your credentials and you'll be all set. With access to your calendar, you'll see your upcoming events displayed. Now, to start adjusting your privacy settings, direct your attention to the left side of the page. Here you'll find a list of your calendars. Look for the calendar you want to make private and click on the three vertical dots next to it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This is where all the customization magic happens. You'll be presented with a variety of settings that allow you to control who can see your calendar and how it's shared. Scroll down until you find the Access Permissions for Events section. Understanding this part is crucial because it defines the accessibility of your calendar to others. At the very top of this section, you'll likely see a checkbox labeled Make Available to Public. With this option checked, anyone with access to your calendar link could potentially see your schedule. To ensure your events remain private, simply uncheck the Make Available to Public box. Doing so restricts access, ensuring only those with direct invitations or to whom you've specifically granted permission can see your events. This way, your calendar becomes invisible to anyone you're not sharing it with directly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully taken control of your calendar's privacy, making it accessible only to those you trust. Always remember to review your sharing settings periodically, especially if you frequently change how you share your events. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate your digital life effectively. See you in the next video.